There's so much controversy right now going on about bules not really respecting anything. Unfortunately, we all get put in the same box where just because you're a bule, everyone expects you to ride around like a lunatic, ride around topless, half naked girls on the bike, no helmet. But we're not all like that. Some of us genuinely want to enjoy this island for what it truly is. So yeah, that's my opinion. A lot of people won't like that, and the people that don't like that aren't my people, so whatever. Just on a bit of a rant, because tensions have been so high the last few days all over social media. A lot of local people saying, oh, get them out of here, they should just leave, and I understand your frustrations, but then I'm like, I'm not like that. And I know lots of people are just like me that really appreciate this place. Yeah, that's my opinion. If you're here for a week or two, of course, go to Canggu, go to Seminyak. But don't do the old monkey see, monkey do. Jump on a bike, topless, half drunk, no helmet, ride around like a lunatic when you have little to no experience on a bike. It's not a good idea in Bali.